Hi guys, in today's class, I'll be explaining everything you need to know about the Bybit N. Alright? Now, the first thing you have to make sure is that your Bybit account is verified. Next step is to click on this area where you find more. As you can see, I have about $71 inside of my Bybit account. I'm going to click on more, and of course, I'm going to look for the Bybit N. And the next thing I'm going to do is to come to this area where you can find trade. Okay, and when you click on trade, now this particular feature on Bybit would help you a lot, especially if you are growing on the Bybit platform, or you are learning about the Bybit product. Now you can click on the Bybit N on this area, and then the next step is to choose the particular product that you want. Okay, so I'm going to just go down, and of course you can choose USDT because this particular asset is a stable coin and it doesn't go up or down sharply. In fact, USDT is nice because it is a stable coin. It doesn't go up in price or doesn't go down sharply in price. Now there are other assets here, but like I mentioned, you want to choose something that is not volatile, so you want to just go straight to USDT. If you choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos, they can go sharply up in price and they can also go sharply down in price, and this might affect your trading and of course your returns. So the next step is that you want to just go straight to selecting this first one. Okay, and let's go straight into it. Now you can select any one you like. In fact, I recommend you should learn a lot about it. So here you can just wait for it, and then you can click on this downward sign, and once you've gotten it, you can actually select any particular one you want. Okay, so here I'm going to select the flexible simply means you can unstake anytime. Okay, which means you can pull out your monies anytime. If you select anyone apart from flexible, it means you have to leave it for that amount of time, which means 90 days, you have to leave it for 90 days, 180 days, you have to leave it for 180 days, 7 days, you have to leave it for 7 days. For flexible, you can take it out anytime. So here you can find that to be part of this, the minimum amount is about 1 USDT, and the maximum amount is about 100 million. Okay, you can find that. So the next step is actually to put in the amount you want to use. Now you can use as little as $1. Okay, but let's say you want to try it with 10. Okay, 10 is actually nice. And from here you can see your estimated daily yield. Okay, your estimated daily yield is okay. If you have large amount of capital, then it might improve. Okay, it's going to improve. Now here you can actually learn about other things. Just forget about this APR, because here if you have less than 500 USDT, you are getting 11%. But then this can change over time. Here if you have greater than 500, it's about 1.18. okay, so what you just have to do is to click on I've read to the agreement and everything, and then you can see today is the 24th, so order time is today's date. You can see it here, yield time, accrual time. So this is what you get. This is the daily yield attached to it. Okay, so this would be distributed to your funding wallet on the distribution date. You can see it over here. Then the yield accrual time, you can see everything you want to learn about it. So just say on the distribution date, you will be able to find it on this area. Okay, on the distribution date, you'll find some crumbs of USDTs there. Okay, on your funding wallet. Then you're going to click on stake now, and you can see this is done, and this is exactly how Bybit N works. Now this area you can see the amount, the APR, flexible, which means I can take it out anytime I like, and then you can see the yield distribution date, when you should actually check your funding wallet to accrue what you've done. Okay, So to view order, you can click on view order, and you can see it here. And of course, you can actually still click on it. If you want to unstake it, people ask, how can I unstake? This is how to unstake. You can click on unstake here, and then you'll be able to unstake from the plan. All right. Now, to buy more, you can actually click on buy more, and this is also great for you. Still nice, still good way to do some good stuff for yourself. Okay. Now you can start with as little as $1, and it is actually great for it's actually a great product on Bybit that anybody can actually try. So this is how the Bybit N works. It works in a way that there are yields, and of course, those yields get to come to your funding wallet at the yield accrual date. Okay, you can find out everything from what I've said. So this will be the end of this class, guys, and definitely I'll see you on another one tomorrow.